Babbage contributed with his machines. There was one more person who actually was able to build his machines and demonstrate the use of them during the same time. Hermann Hollerith. Hermann Hollerith is a forgotten hero, but he should be remembered and given due place in our discussion because he gave us two things. One, he convinced the world that something can actually be computed using machines during his time and for a long time after that. The word computer was not used. You may recall that the word computer was actually a job designation, like conductor. Who is conductor? A person who conducts in music symphony is a conductor. Similarly, computer was a job title of a person who was computing. Computing what? Seeing various tables and doing some calculations, which, as a historical mystery like secretaries, was always reserved for females. So only females used to work as computers. All these high-fi mathematicians used to have computers with them. These females who used to do all the computations for them. That was computers. During that time came this guy called as Hermann Hollerith, one more legendary figure who underwent so much trouble to do something. For a change, I consider him as the father figure of hacker's code. I don't consider Charles Babbage as a hacker, for various reasons. I consider Hermann Hollerith as the first hacker. Hacker's story is what we will be seeing in the coming days. Hermann Hollerith was the first true hacker. The reasons I will elaborate later. For a change, he was an engineer. He was a trained engineer. He was a mining engineer, to be very precise. He was a mining engineer. After his engineering, he went on to work in the census department of US. We should remember that at that particular point of time, one more development happened. The rail network in US was existing at that particular point of time. And people were obsessed with building controls for that rail network so that two trains would not collide with each other. That was the time in which Hermann Hollerith came. And there was this Charles Babbage legacy, which he continued. When he was working in the census department, he devised a machine which could actually make the computation of the census data efficient. He not only gave the idea but actually built that particular machine, which he called as tabulating machine. See the terminology change. Charles Babbage called his invention as engine. Here he is calling it as machine. That's important. His machine actually worked, and after a long resistance, the US Census Department took the courage to use the machine to do the tabulation. And they say the 1890 census, when the first time this machine was used, the census data was available within 3 years, unlike 8 to 9 years it would take if they were calculating it manually. So Hermann Hollerith's first contribution was that he built a machine for a practical purpose. That is one. He has one more, somewhat a, what should I say, tarnished kind of legacy. What did he do? He joined hands, he, a brilliant engineer, joined hands with a brilliant salesman, Thomas Watson Sr., to build a company. Company was IBM, International Business Machine, which is coincidentally celebrating its centenary year this year. IBM was formed thanks to Hermann Hollerith's machine. This step, the establishment of IBM, is very, very important because that divided the computing fraternity forever into two parts. One completely commercial, another completely academic. This divide happened with the founding of IBM. IBM has a long legacy. IBM will keep coming as our story, sometimes as hero and sometimes as villain in my later narrative. But they started. And why I consider Herman Holland as a true hacker is because he, for the very first time, though he started the company IBM, resisted the attempt of business people taking over the technical field. This fight started then. It's continuing even to watch social network. Whether businessmen should run the company or whether technologists should run the company. Steve Jobs has had to face it. Of course, many others stayed away from all these things. Social network movie has a subtext on who should control the company. Herman Hollerith had to fight this. Thomas Watson Sr., being all the genius salesman that he is, they say, planned the ouster of Herman Hollerith in a very intelligent way. Compare this story with what happened to Steve Jobs after a century. And Herman Hollerith says that I am a true engineer and I don't want to get into this petty politics. And he retired to his farm and stayed happily as a farmer, which is a typical response that hackers face in such a situation. Non-compromising with the engineering standards. This way I consider Herman Hollerith as the first true hacker. He had the courage, conviction not only to dream like Charles Babbage, but to actually build a machine, put it into work, make his work into a successful company, and then come out of it and stay happy. This is a popular legend which you will find in all hacker stories. So Herman Hollerith for me is the first true hacker, and starting of IBM divides our attention. On the one hand, we have to concentrate on the commercial history of computing. On the other hand, we have to concentrate on the academic version of computing history. I will just say two things about the commercial side of computing and then come back to academic, which is my primary. During this time, one more development which is important for us now. Telephone was introduced. Telephone. And you know what happened with telephone? Exactly before 1 century, the telephone scene in US was utterly chaotic, like the mobile scene in India today. How many companies do you think existed in US at that time, providing telephone services? Any guess? Estimates, historical records say nearly 6,000. There is a problem in the telephone industry. Since the fixed line telephone works on wires, every company was trying to build its own network. And you could call someone only in that network. So you and your friend are in the same group, you could call them, otherwise you couldn't. Interoperability was a problem in telephone. At that time, to solve this problem, the US government